Regrow vegetables from scraps. A garden is a great way to save money on fresh vegetables. You can have fresh vegetables without an outdoor garden by regrowing scraps on your windowsill. For most vegetables, simply cut the vegetables off above the root, and place the root in water on a sunny windowsill. After it starts to grow, you can transfer your new plant to soil. Here are some examples of vegetables that work well for a windowsill scrap garden. 1. Green onions. 2. Celery. 3. Romaine lettuce. 4. Carrots. This doesn't regrow the carrot itself, but the carrot top, which has lots of uses from stock to chimichurri to pesto. 5. Leeks. 6. Onions. 7. Most herbs, including basil, mint, and thyme. 8. Pineapple. Well, not a vegetable, but imagine regrowing a pineapple in your home. 9. Sweet potatoes. Submerge the bottom third of a sweet potato in a glass of water. When the slips, baby sweet potatoes, form, you can replant each one in dirt. The greens can be sautéed and eaten. 10. Potatoes. Plant 2-inch pieces of potatoes in soil about 4 inches deep, eyes facing up. The plants will spread underground as they grow. Enjoy your harvest. Let us know how it works for you in the comments below.